Hi everyone, welcome to the channel, The Law and the Promise. And today we're going to get right into it, that there is no fiction. And how when we're in our creative, imaginative juju, it's the one in our hearts talking and telling the story, divine love and wisdom. You've let them loose, you've let them free, and they're working through you. And so Christmas is a great time. We have all kinds of wonderful stories. Okay, and one of them about these challenges that we have and how we overcome them with grace and love. And we're no angels. It's just a perfect movie for that. It really is. It's chock full of wisdom. It's chock full of the examples of the right attitude and the way to think and the way to see things. And it's got an all-star cast. Humphrey Bogart and Peter Ustinov and Aldo Ray, Joan Bennett, Basil Rathbone. We have some of the most greatest, you know, acting going on in this movie, and it's really great. And they did this all with a few sets on the studio. And it was just really amazing how it all came together and all came out. And it shows you how you're exactly in the right place at the right time at all times.
They didn't come after us.
They lose the scent when it rains. Anyhow, we're doing fine. All we need now is a chance to get out of that ship in the harbor, and then it's back to Paris. You like that idea?
Yeah.
And that sometimes you may look like a prisoner, but you're really an angel, and that others see you that way. And they really don't care what you did to get in jail. They just know you're treating them right and nice. So they treat you right and nice. And it causes all kinds of changes.
Let's put her away.
Oh, spare her. Take my money, take everything I have, but spare my wife.
You need glasses.
Well, the last time I saw you men, you were on the roof. What happened? Did it fall in?
Back from the Board of Health?
Yes.
What about Cousin Andre?
Well, they won't let him off the ship until tomorrow.
Oh, that's nice.
What are you doing with my accounts?
Accounts? You call this mess of unrelated mathematics accounts? I got 10 years for a better set of books than these.
Where are the smelling salts? Oh, thank you.
Millie, I don't understand it. Convicts working on my books, others doing other things.
When you hear what's been going on, you'll want to thank these gentlemen. Isabel read the letter.
About Paul getting married?
Yes, come on.
Here comes the bad boy. You can't have a good without a bad, and even though it looks terrible, it's not. It's not terrible. Okay? It's just jumping point to greater good in your life. That's all. So you claim these things for yourself. You be kind to yourself by talking nice about yourself in those secret, sacred talks, the things you say to yourself. That's what sacred means. That's what Ararat means. Mount Ararat, you're going to the sacred mountain. You're going within yourself. You're going to go talk to yourself. So, this is what I'm seeing, what's going on. And you get answers, usually in the mundane tasks, but consciousness, divine love and wisdom, as within, so without, and they're within, so they're without. You're in a sea of it. You're in an ocean of it. Some people like to say you're in an ocean of energy, you manipulate the energy, whatever. You are moving it around with your thoughts and words and actions, and what you say and do. okay? And you're in the exact right place at the right time. Somebody has to be the prick.
I needed money and my uncle wouldn't give me any.
They sent you to jail because you asked your uncle for money?
What was the way I asked? At the trial, it was established I hit him over the head 14 times.
How could you do it?
With a poker, mademoiselle.
Well, anyway, that's all over now, and we were talking about something else, remember? About me being the way you said. Do you really think I'm attractive to gentlemen? I think we need some more cups and saucers.
Somebody has to be the saint. And they happen to both be in you. So you bless the prick, okay? Because something good is coming out of this bad. I see this as good. I see this as good. This can be nothing but good. Okay? I don't know how it's good, but I know you can't have a bad without a good. So I see this as good. I see this with loving eyes, and I glorify in its perfection. You know, it's blessings, 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 too many to count in the face of adversity. These are the things you say. You're not going to let ugly things come out of your mouth, despite the ugly you see, because you know that's going away. And even you saying no, 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 that immediately starts making it dissipate. Okay, the no has power to it. And now it's dissipating and it's going away. So I hope this helps. You'll see this in the movie. They're having all kinds of shit falling down on their heads.
Convicts. What are you doing here on Christmas Eve?
We're the three wise men.
Look at Pretty Boy here. This must be Paul and Cousin Andre.
How did you get out of quarantine? Little bribery?
Well, there goes Christmas right out the window.
And it all comes together in the end. Everything is resolved. They keep loving, even though convicts showed up on their door with the intent to steal. They didn't do that. They were changed. By the way, these people saw them, and then they worked for those people's good.
What is that pitiful object?
Oh, the Christmas tree. I forgot the angel. Here it is, the three angels. It was on the first Christmas tree I ever had. It wouldn't be Christmas without them. See? Just like in the carol. Three angels came to earth that night, and all around the stars were bright.
I remember.
Your angels didn't stand the trip very well. Their wings are a little damaged.
The feathers are all gone.
And they don't have halos either.
Oh, yes, they do. They have halos. To me, anyway. Their wings are perfect, and their feathers are snowy white. And they came down from the stars, even if it seemed like only the roof.
Yes, but don't step on the grass.
Oh, certainly not.
And they helped them get rid of the monster. Okay. It's because they refused to see him as a monster. You know, they knew there was some good in there somewhere. They just know they weren't seeing it all the time.
Felix, I have the most terrible news for you. Andre's dead.
Dead?
It's true, he died in his sleep.
It was very considerate of him.
I don't know what to do.
The first thing to do is to make sure that he's dead. I don't trust him.
You can take my word for it. He's dead, all right.
We must find a doctor. The death certificate must be signed. We'll go to the Board of Health.
Quite a Christmas present.
Oh, don't misunderstand me. It's true that I never liked my cousin, only because he was not likable. He had a number of good points, I'm sure. I just can't think of any.
What you do is what you've always done. Go talk to yourself. Okay, there's no special way of talking to yourself. There's only your way of talking to yourself. And understand, this is all spirit. It changes all the time. Okay, men want it to be sure and true. They want foundation. They like comfort. They don't like things to change. Okay, they don't. And that's because they know deep down inside there's this principle. Okay, and it shouldn't change. It should be sure and true and strong. Okay, and it is. It is. Unless they let their imaginations run wild at some point, then that has to be shown to them. It has to be shown to all of us so that we can say, I don't think so. You know, you're sure and true and strong. And know that when you speak, okay, trumpeting the Lord, I'm telling you, I am this, then you know. It'll show itself to you. It's unfolding, it's revealing itself to you. So I hope this helps, and I hope you'll go watch it. Thank you. Thank you for being you. Blessings, blessings, blessings.
There's our boat. She's still waiting.
The rest is easy. All we do is get aboard and leave Devil's Island behind us.
Funny how it all happened. It was kind of a miracle, the whole thing, almost as though it had been arranged.
Even the girl herself called us her angels.
Now, we're no angels.
Funny, when I was free, I was always in trouble. I don't know why I'm in such a hurry to get into trouble again. I think they'd be glad to see us back at prison.
Well, I'll say one thing for prison. You meet a better class of people.
Yes, there's a lot to be said for prison.
You always know where you are when you get up in the morning.
Yes, and I could do with a sleep.
What do you say? Prison wasn't so bad. Let's all go back. Think of the welcome we'll get.
Well, if things don't work out right, do it all over again next year.